This is the Black Snipe Everyday Carry portable flashlight multi-tool and made by VSGO. So stick with me, guys. So guys, here it is, small and compact, only weighing 46 grams and only measures approximately 2 inches in diameter. It is very nice to see that it has built-in light. So if you actually look when I turn it on by just simply pressing the button here into the middle, that light that it's giving off actually looks really nice. I like the way that it kind of flares over there into the lens, into the camera. And here is the medium brightness for the side light.